Running an Ansible playbook is like having a robot do your chores, except the robot is Ansible and the chores are IT tasks. First, make sure Ansible is installed. Next, create an inventory file listing your hosts. Then, write your playbook with the tasks you want automated. Finally, execute it with the Ansible Playbook command. Easy, right? If only real-life tasks were this simple. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Ansible is like the Swiss Army knife of IT automation. Compact, powerful, and ready for action. It's open source, meaning it's free and flexible. Playbooks written in YAML define your tasks like a recipe. And the best part, no agents needed. That means no extra headache for system admins, just pure streamlined automation. Think of an Ansible playbook as a recipe, except instead of cooking food, you're cooking up automation. Each play targets specific hosts, modules act as ingredients to perform tasks, and the best part, it's reusable. So whether it's setting up servers or installing software, this recipe never expires. An inventory file is like a guest list for a party. It tells Ansible which devices are invited and how they should be treated. You can have a static file with fixed entries or a dynamic one that updates automatically. With groups, you can manage multiple hosts together, just like planning seating arrangements at a wedding. Welcome, fellow automation enthusiast. Today, we tackle the magic of variables in inventory files. Because why hardcode anything when you can make your life easier? We'll explore defining variables using host and group variables, managing precedents, and avoiding pesky syntax errors. If you've ever cursed your inventory file for breaking your playbook, this one's for you. Executing a playbook is like launching a rocket, except the rocket is your automation and your inventory file is the fuel. We'll dive into specifying inventory files using different formats, understanding execution impact, and making sure your inventory connectivity isn't the weak link in your setup. Targeting specific hosts is the difference between precision automation and oops, I just updated everything. Let's break down host patterns, filtering using tags, and managing exceptions, so your automation hits just the right targets, no friendly fire. Static inventory is so last season. Dynamic inventory is here to keep your playbooks nimble and scalable. We'll talk about using inventory scripts, fetching real-time data, securing configurations, and optimizing performance. Because manual updates, no thanks. Troubleshooting inventory issues is like detective work, but with fewer magnifying glasses and more YAML files. We'll go through common pitfalls, missing files, connection errors, validation steps, and debugging tools to keep your automation running like a charm. Speed matters, especially when running complex playbooks. Let's explore how to optimize execution times, structure tasks efficiently, minimize unnecessary runs, and leverage caching and parallel execution. Because every second saved is another step closer to automation bliss. A messy inventory file is like a cluttered desk. It works until it doesn't. Let's talk best practices, naming conventions, modular organization, version control, and regular updates to keep your inventory structured and your sanity intact. And that's a wrap. We've covered everything from static to dynamic inventory, best practices, and optimization techniques. Take these insights, apply them in your projects, keep learning, and remember, automation is only as good as the inventory backing it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.